Hello everyone, welcome back to Future Tech Official. In our last lesson, we wrote our first Python program using print. Today, we're learning one of the most important concepts in programming, variables. Let's get started. What is a variable? Imagine you have a box. You can put different things inside that box, like books, clothes, or money. In programming, a variable is like that box. It stores information that your program can use later.
AI rising, sky's the limit. Tomorrow's here and we're the spirit. From zeros, ones to galaxies. We code our fate, we chase the keys. Future tech will lead the way. Designing dreams and light and wave. Blockchain chains, but we are free. We surf the cloud, we own the seas. Quantum minds inside the cruise. We shape the world with what we do. Drone in skies and bots around. A smarter world is all around. No limits now, no turning back. We're future tech, we're on the track.
Name is the variable. Equals to sign assigns a value to the variable. Victor is the value stored inside the variable. Print name displays the stored value.
AI rising, sky's the limit. Tomorrow's here and we're the spirit. From zeros, ones to galaxies. We code our fate, we chase the keys. Future tech will lead the way. Designing dreams and light and wave. Rise with the algorithm beat. Silicon fire beneath our feet. We build, we break, we dream, we dare. In every code, the future's there. Future tech, ignite the flame. Tomorrow's now. We play the game with every spark. We redefine the edge of now, the grand design. Future tech, we raise the flag from Earth to Mars. We never lack. This is the time. This is the place. We are the future tech, the human race. From zeros, ones to galaxies. We code our fate, we chase the keys. Future tech will lead the way. Designing dreams and light and wave. Rise with the algorithm beat. Silicon fire beneath our feet. We build, we break, we dream, we dare. In every code, the future is there. Rise with the algorithm beat. Silicon fire beneath our feet. We build, we break, we dream, we dare. In every code, the future's there.
Why variables? Variables help us store information such as usernames, passwords, scores, prices, email addresses, phone numbers. Without variables, programming would be very difficult. Congratulations! You now know how to create and use variables in Python. In the next lesson, we'll learn about Python data types and why they are important. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
Future tech.